YouTube page.
You watching me, baby?
Yeah.
What's SWAK mean?
Sealed with a kiss.
Sealed with a kiss? Mwah!
I kissed the box.
Huh?
I kissed the box.
You kissed the box?
Mhm.
Perfect. Let's go.
Just in case they said I got bubbles. Well, I already had some in my house.
We got some bubble wrap. That's the best gift out of all of them, probably. On to the better stuff. Oh, come on. Come back. Focus. Focus. Here we go. Focus. She got me candy, bro. Peep the drip. Get your girlfriend and get you candy from how many miles away, baby?
800.
800 miles away, and she get me candy. Oh, I told her I needed socks. That's the only thing I wanted was socks. She got me some socks. Popping these open tomorrow.
Would they smell like socks?
Smell like Jake from State Farm.
At 3 in the morning?
At 3 in the morning. Oh. Oh. She got me blemish scrub. So I can look flawless for y'all little nasty asses. Hold up. And my girl got me a little majigger brusher. A little majigger. A facial scrubber.
Remember when I said, do you care if I get you something with pink on it? That's what it meant.
Oh, this thing? Majigger? This thing?
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck for that. It all works the same. Something small. You can see. Sarah. This is a cologne? Oh, that girl got me some cologne. Is it fire? Have you
I
smelled it?
like all of them, but I just picked that one because I did like that one.
Oh, this is fire. Hold up. I'm gonna spray that. I'm spraying inside of the bottle cap. Oh, hell yeah, baby. Now I say the most important gift for last. Also, hold up. Let me see. This is what she bought me with 2K with. That thing, she just sent it to me just to be able to be like, you know what I mean? I don't know.
You know what? I did it on accident.
For real?
Because I made a TikTok.
Oh, and you didn't post that? You sent it to the drafts?
Yeah.
That's my girl. Okay, I got a paper. Which one should I hold up? What should I do first? Open the majiggers? These things?
One you gotta read.
One I gotta read?
Read the outside that you can't read it yet.
Oh. Fire. This girl is fire. Hold up. Alright. So, look, she sent me this note. She says, I'm truly sorry about how late your gift is. I love you. I love you too, baby. Your lady, Deanna. Thank you for being the best boyfriend ever. Mwah. Mwah. I love you, baby. Alright, so I'm keeping that forever. Belated birthday boy. This is one. I'm not going to read it out to y'all because, you know what I'm saying, this is me.
You like the way I decorated the box?
Yeah, I know. I seen it in the box, inside the box. I'm gonna show them later. You actually sent me a picture, bro. How old was you, bro?
16, 5 years ago.
Let me put this in my wallet real quick.
I was literally 16 years old when I took that picture.
Okay.
Isn't that weird? Ew.
What's wrong with that?
That's just funny. So cute.
Your face is more defined. Cause you got older. You know what I mean? Okay. And now, I get to read this. She took her time with this one. Don't make me cry. I'm not that emotional. I'm not that emotional, but hopefully. If you... Yeah. Yes, sir. You went crazy with this one, baby.
Really?
You went crazy. Go crazy, baby. Go. You went crazy. You did your thing, shop. You did your thing, baby. Hold up. Let me show y'all how my girl went crazy with the box. My girl went crazy with the box. Hold up.
And I did that in crayon.
In crayon. It says happy.
Oh, I was thinking that would be the top, but actually it wouldn't really
21st.
matter.
And then it says birthday. And then it says baby.
Funny.
Fire though. You did your thing, yo. I ain't even lie.
It looks cool like that.
My girl got me candy, nigga. She got me candy, nigga. Go crazy, little D. You did your thing, player. But I'm working though. I don't ever get it twisted, you know what I'm saying? When your birthday? And how many days? How many? No, not days, but like a month and some change. Like a little month and some change. It is. What's
the birthday? Oh.
Huh? I know your birthday, November 12th. But like, how many days is that? I mean, how many times is that? It's like a month.
2 months.
No, it's not. Bro, it's the 28th of September.
I thought it was August 20th.
Nah, you tripping. My birthday was not a week ago. No, but that I wrote. For my girlfriend. Yeah, you know what I say? Read that.
What?
Read that. Read the title.
Dino Bean is very beautiful. No captivity.
Son, we working, baby. Ah, your birthday gonna go crazy. Just wait for it. Mark my words. Thank you to my beautiful girlfriend for doing all of that stuff. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
That's the video. Her birthday video is gonna be coming like a few months behind, but yeah, just know when her birthday video come, y'all gonna see a side of me y'all ain't never seen me before. You know what I'm saying? But it's been real. You wanna do my outro, baby? Do you know it?
Yeah.
You better try it. You better try to know it. Follow me on Instagram at 7 Reasons. Follow me on TikTok at _7 Reasons. Yeah. Follow my girlfriend on Instagram at Deanna Levine. Follow her on TikTok at _Lil D. _Lil D. And now you do my outro for me real quick.
Y'all get to see him 24 hours. Maximize your 24 hours. Peace.
Go crazy, this y'all.